I'm out at Kennecott County Park today. We're going to test this 72 megapixel 2.5K video and still camera. I'm going to show you this exact scene through the 2.5K 72 megapixel Temu camera right now. This is what it looks like in just regular high def. It's 1280 by 720 or 720p. And I will move out. Now you can see the frame without me in it. And that's what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Now we're in full high definition. I'm a little further away from the camera for the audio. You can check the frame with me in it and check the frame with me out of it. So this is what it looks like in 2.5K or QHD, which stands for quad high definition. And this is me in the frame. And this is me out of the frame. Now you've already seen the performance and how good or not so great this camera is. It was 10 bucks on Temu. I'm going to go ahead and do like a quick unboxing after you've seen all that because it's pretty basic. And pop the box open. Get the camera out. It's wrapped. It's got a front and back screen. And if you did buy one of these, I'm going to put a more detailed video about how to operate this. And 2.5K, 72 megapixel, does have a flash. It's got a few up and down buttons, a select button, some menu buttons, volume up and down, zoom in and out as well, and your normal shutter button. And a power button there on top. Comes equipped with a USB-C, also a 3.5 millimeter audio and video jack in there, and there's a place to put your micro SD card. So it's pretty basic. The manual is dinky like most of them, very fine print. So get out your magnifying glass, aka your phone camera, and it comes with your USB-C, a strap, and your micro SD card. It does throw in, I believe it's 32 gig in there, yeah. So pretty basic unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, if you like the new format of doing the unboxing at the end of the video, go ahead and let me know. Make sure you give us a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.